So hi everyone, my name is Marvy and I am here to share to you my overall experience during my observation and assistantship in the elementary laboratory school. So my overall experience made me respect the job more. So I observed there how to manage the classroom, how the teacher start the class, how they stay calm even if naka-frustrate na sayang si John dili na maminaw, and how they manage the different behaviors of the student. So dagan ko na-realize, dagan ko natunan, and mas na-realize na ako nga during our demo, I realized that I really love teaching. I really love this profession because teaching is really something na fulfilling. Most especially pag ma-appreciate si students sa imong ginabuhat. Most especially if they say thank you for teaching them. Like, maka-melt siya sa heart because wala pa ka sa field or something, dili pa ka gatrabaho, but they respect you and they respect their teachers. So it is really something na nakapa-realize ako or nakapantantay sa akong heart, and this is what I wanted to do, not for the rest of my life, but hanggang sa makaya na ako. And then teaching is, I know it is not easy, most especially kay ga-teach me og ganang young learners, kanang mga sabturon pa yun og mga behaviors, and then dili gid malikayan nga maka-encounter taog students nga kanang special needs. So my experience during my observation and assistantship is really a big help because nakabalo ko on how to manage them, on how to help them nga kanang dili sila ma-upset sa class or dili sila ma-left behind. Also wanted to say thank you to our instructors and sa mga teachers sa elementary laboratory schools. Thank you sa mga knowledge, sa mga tricks, and sa everything. Thank you. The knowledge that we gain from you will be applied sa among internship ko sa DepEd and sa in-campus. Thank you. I learned a lot.